And it will be all systems go tomorrow as the referees are now available to officiate in the Red Stripe Premier League. Only one match was contested in midweek, but the full slate will be played heading into Christmas. Topping the list of matches on Sunday will be leaders Portmore United away to third-placed Cavalier at Stadium East. The two are separated by 5 points, but their results over the last 5 games are identical, with 2 wins and 3 drawn games. In their earlier meeting this season, Cavalier were beaten 2-0 at home.
We have to put everything that we have in this particular game. We don't play again for another 2 weeks. And as you can see, the top 6 teams are very, very close. So this second round is really the round that you establish yourself if you're going to go on to the playoffs. It's a crucial round, so we need every point we can get.
Second-placed Waterhouse will head to the west, where they'll play Montego Bay United at Westpaw Park. Montego Bay United's last victory came 5 matches ago when coach Vassal Reynolds was still in charge. 4 matches into his departure, and the former champions are yet to win another game. They're expected to have another tough afternoon against a Waterhouse team who haven't lost in their last 11 outings.
It's always tough on the road. I mean, Montego Bay is a very good team, former champion team. I thought we were playing good football, and we're still playing good football. We just want to go there and play some good football tomorrow.
Mount Pleasant, who have been having a mixed season at home, will welcome Harbourview, who ended a run of poor results with a 3-0 win over Montego Bay United. It's 6th against 7th when UWI host Tivoli Gardens at the UWI Bowl. FC Reno, who have been involved in 5 consecutive drawn matches, will be at home to Humber Lion, who haven't lost in 6 outings.